In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to create a CapCut account in 2025. Whether you're using it on your phone or computer, the process is quick and easy. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. If you're on a computer, just go to www.capcut.com. Once it loads, tap or click the Try Online to log in or sign up. CapCut gives you several ways to sign up. You can use your Google, TikTok, Facebook, or phone number, or log in with an email address account. Choose whichever method works best for you. If you choose to sign up with Google or TikTok, simply tap the option, select your account, and allow permissions. It only takes a few seconds and CapCut will automatically create your account using your profile info. Once that's done, you'll be logged into CapCut and taken straight to the editing dashboard, whether on mobile or desktop. From here, you can start creating, syncing your projects across devices, and unlocking premium features if you upgrade later on. And that's it. You've successfully created your CapCut account. Now you can start editing, adding effects, and exporting videos like a pro.